Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Noeline from Numbers Pro, and today we'll be looking at Google Data Studio, embedding it in Power BI. So you could have a situation where you have extensive reports created in Power BI using transactional data, using on-premises cloud data, but you also have some Google data from the Google ecosystem such as Google Analytics, and it's better to create this in Google Data Studio because they are both Google products. In Power BI, for example, Google Analytics data is sampled when you import it into Power BI. Also, you have to import numerous times to get all the columns because it's restricted to, I think, 5 columns per import. So if you want a situation where all your data, all your reporting can be accessed through one link, then embedding Google Data Studio in Power BI is your best bet. So thanks for joining. Subscribe and share this because I think a lot of people don't know that you can embed Google Data Studio in Power BI. And ask me any other questions you may have using the comment function and subscribe. So this is, for example, the Google Data Studio report that you have. It's YouTube Analytics, and you also build dashboard reports in Power BI. So I'm in the app workspace and I'm going to go update app. So, and with the navigation tab, I'll be able to show you how to embed your Google Data Studio report in Power BI. So click on navigation, new, and this time around we're going to use new link. So as you can see, you need a link, you need a name. And so we're now in Google Data Studio. One thing to ensure is that your share function is that at least anyone with the link can view. So, and do not copy that link. You need to be on an edit mode, go to File, Embed Report, and that's where you get the embed URL. So this is the link I'm going to then copy and paste in my Power BI. So I'm going to replace the default link with my Google Data Studio link, rename it to be something that makes sense. So YouTube Analytics, you have the option to group it. So group it with maybe other Google data, but the most important is to ensure that you change open in content area so that it doesn't open it in another tab or in the tab you are in. I'm going to leave it with no section so it stays on its own. You can change the size of the reports in Power BI. So now I'm going to update the app. So it's the same process if you were creating a new app. If you join my Get into Power BI series, you're going to see how to create a new app and how to then put your navigation links together. So as you can see, this is my Power BI app. It's a container of reports, dashboards, and now Google Data Studio named as YouTube Analytics. So as you can see, this opens in the content area. Google's map is disabled in embedded view, so there are some limitations, but it does work very well because you can flip from one page to the other. So if you have 10-page Google Data Studio report, you access all of these within Power BI. You can access a dashboard you've created in Power BI and your reports also created in Power BI. So this gives you the best of both worlds, where you create your Google data or data from the Google ecosystem in Google Data Studio, every other data in Power BI. Thank you. I hope you found this helpful. Please subscribe, please share with your colleagues and your friends, and most importantly, leave me a comment. Tell me what you want to hear next, how I'm doing, and see you in my next video. Thank you.